Today we're going to add a sharpening choil onto this knife. Put a little choil right down in here to make it easier when I get this knife on the stones, so that I can sharpen up this edge without having to worry to get right up into that corner. Getting up into that corner can wear down the edges of your stones pretty quickly. Now what you're going to want to use for this is a Dremel tool with a cutoff wheel. And you should use the cutoff wheels that take this little butterfly adapter. So this down here pulls down, and then you turn the wheel and take it off. And there are these metal cutting wheels. Let me show you what a new one looks like. This is what a new one looks like versus these cheap cutoff wheels. You don't want to use these. These will shatter. And this is what one of them looks like mounted on its arbor. You can see the difference in these. These are much more robust. These do a much better job, and these are much safer to use. In order to do this, I'm going to wear safety glasses. And the safety glasses I have also have reading glasses on them. I'm going to set my Dremel tool to a medium-low speed. That's probably good enough right there. And I'm going to rest the Dremel tool on a piece of wood here. What that's for is to give me more support. Then I'm going to take my knife and rest my knife against the Dremel tool and holding my hand here, and I'm going to slowly bring that edge right into the spinning disc here. And the reason I'm holding the Dremel tool left-handed is it spins this way. So any sparks are going to go down. You don't want to hold the Dremel tool with your right hand, because then you'll be grinding on this side, shooting the sparks straight up back at your face. So use a Dremel tool like this on the left-hand side. Get the knife positioned. This gives you a nice firm rest. Turn the tool on. And there you have a nice little sharpening choil. That's all it takes. You could do a little more if you want it to be a little bit deeper. You just work it so you get a circle on the bottom. I'll go a little bit more. There you go. Beautiful sharpening choil on there. It's so easy to do, and it's very fast. You just need the right tools.